friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're planning for the week of November 8th through the 14th, and I think I'm going to keep using the Cosmos kit from Coffee Planner Mom. This is what last week's looked like. Got a lot done, lots of fun things. Yeah, so it came out great. I love the after the pen with it, so I thought, well, let's try it again since we have so much to use for it. And see how that goes. So I still have part of the $50 freebie. I have a lot from the $25 freebie. I have a lot from the $75 freebie. This was all from the Pink Planner sale, by the way, so these freebies aren't available anymore. And then lots of pieces. Oh no, where'd you go? Here's more Pink Planner sale freebie stuff. And a lot from the just from the kit itself. So, and this is a pretty light week in the sense of not much is going on, but I do want to keep track of a few things, because while there's not a lot of, like, how do I say this, activities, gotta clear the space for activities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, there's not a ton of activities going on. There's like new Weight Watcher program and like little things that, you know, I just got to make sure I sit down and take care of. So I want to use these headers this time, and I'm going to use these days of the week, but now I want to make sure that I set them the way I want them. So I'm going to grab Monday and I'm going to grab a header and kind of see what we got going on, because I think I want to do it this way. He's a little crooked, but nothing worth worrying about, because I kind of want them to, like, okay, that's what we'll do. So let's get these headers down. That just looks so pretty with like the swoop of the Y dipping down into the headers. I really like that. I like that a lot. So the next thing I want to do, so we got 1, 2, 3. Cut that apart. Oh goodness. The doggos. Not my doggos. We call them the bumpuses. You know. If you've ever seen A Christmas Story, you know. I want to do a spot. I might be getting ahead of myself, but that's okay. Weight Watchers is changing their program, but they're not going to give out information until Monday. But my weigh-in day is Friday, so I've already started tracking using the old program. So instead of like worrying about how this next week up to that Friday is going to go, I'm just going to put spots in my planner here to track like I used to track, so that it's not as huge of a deal. But I need some, I think I'm going to have to grab some extra. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to grab the blustery. How am I out of the 4 ones on the blustery blues? I must have really used those. I must have liked them a lot. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Now all of the doggos are out. All of the doggos. Because, you know, it's real important to bark at the other dogs in the neighborhood. So I've got, these are from Blustery Blues, and while they won't be exact, I think they'll work with these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think if I use, because I only need 4. I only need 4 because Friday I can start really working. Goodness gracious me, Holly. All right, so we'll need a tracking section. We'll go ahead and put that down. Let's do, I feel like we should just put it at the top. might be like a waste of box space, but is it really? Is it really? Probably not. Maybe a little. So I'm currently, as of this filming, on the Weight Watcher Blue program, but they're changing to something called personal points. I think that's what it's called. And like I said, with a weigh-in on Friday, and they're not releasing the new stuff until Monday, like, yeah, I'm still going to track in the app, but I also want a spot to where I can just keep things as the same and stress-free as possible. So this is going to be a quick little spot where I can track my points for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right? Just a perfect little spot. So let's put a box up there. And we'll just label it tracking. And it's huzzah. There we go. Let's do sidebar stuff, because I usually know what my sidebar needs to look like. I feel like there's going to be a lot of speeding up in this as I kick things. A lot of speeding up in this video just because there's certain things I'm like, I know, and there's not much talking that needs to happen about it, if that makes sense. I think it does. Do you want to use the weekend banner? But which weekend banner? This one. Simple as that. Double check my things. All right, we got Pink Zebra TV Live. Oh, I do still have to monitor Sharpie's pills. So maybe we'll put a dot down there because it only goes till Wednesday. Let's use yeah, he's almost done with his antibiotic and he looks so much better. He's still chewing at his paws though, which I think a lot of times is anxiety, but we gotta keep an eye on that. So let's go to the weekend banner. I think we're just gonna take up these two right here. And then what boxes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 full boxes. I got some other fun stuff. We do need our... Ooh, I did not. I need a chores list. Everything's cattywampus. Maybe we'll use these bullet points and that'll finish up that guy. So this will be zone 2. I'll just put 1. So there's that. I'm happy to report that I have now had 2 weeks in a row where I have lost weight. Yay! And I will need a coffee time sticker. That's on my Fridays. Put that here. Actually, let's put a full box down first. Maybe we'll layer it. What? I know. Crazy talk. Let's do that. And then we'll put coffee time here. So that's when I get my, since it's weigh-in day, that's when I get my whatever I want coffee. So I don't have to worry, I don't worry about how many calories it is or how many points it is. This is my treat yourself coffee. And let's do that one there. I'm not sure I like that. Hang on. Let's try this. Let's try this. And we'll do a square box there for Pink Zebra TV Live. We need a box here for game night. I'm going to put another box here just because I can. I might use it. I might not. But I feel like it needs it. I think that's it. I'm going to put a planning time sticker because, well, I can. There's no reason not to. Let's put it with... I do try to sit down and like purposefully plan. Not that this isn't purposeful. That sounded weird coming out of my mouth. But like every day, like for 15 minutes to kind of re-go over and reassess what's going on for the day. I think we're going to leave it here. This looks great. I might add some more stickers as the week goes on, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want this kit from Coffee Planner Mom or all of the amazing Christmas, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, all of the things, releases that she's been doing lately, you can use my code HOLLY15 for 15% off, as well as a pretty cute freebie, if I do say so myself. And I'll catch you all in the next one.